How to remove background noise in InShot app. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the InShot app on your mobile phone. So now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, and in create new section there is video, photo and call list. So now make sure to choose a video, and once you choose it, you can see in this section you will be able to select a video from your gallery. So now I have only one, so let me choose a video, and afterward you can see there is green button at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on that green button, and once you tap on it, you will be able to edit your video from this section successfully. So now you can see there is lots of tools available over here. So what you can do is simply select the clip first, and once you select it, you can see there is voice enhance option in here. So just tap on that voice enhance option, and finally you can see at the left side there is voice. So just tap on voice only, and in BZ++ you can see it's slide to big busy only. So what you can do is select a slide and make sure you have a upgraded version, I mean premium version of the InShot app. So now once you tap on slide, there is two options available over here. So make sure to buy a premium, or for a once you can just tap on green button. So yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process to remove background noise in InShot app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.